Hello everyone. Thanks for checking out the Chitrakala Drawing Academy YouTube channel. Here we have high quality drawing and craft videos that help kids learn and improve their skills. Our content is fresh and original. It is a step-by-step demonstration. It's more focused. We cover a wide range of topics and we use animated visuals to keep kids engaged throughout the video. These videos are not only for kids, but for anyone who is struggling with art, who do not have access to proper art school, who are struggling with their school projects, and last but not the least, for those parents who want to develop drawing skills and interest in their children. Be sure to subscribe for new content and also comment below to introduce yourself.